Imagine if you could breathe life into those photos of famous stars, beloved family members, or historical figures and actually make them talk. Sounds amazing, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a talking photo using HitPaw Edimakor, step by step. Be sure to watch until the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. First, get started with HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, no worries. Just click the link in the description to get it now. Second, customize your avatar. Open up HitPaw Edimakor and select the AI avatar option to bring up the editing window. On the left panel, import the appearance of your chosen avatar. Tool supports various photo formats, so go ahead and import your image. Third, add a voice to your photo. Here's where the magic happens. You have three options: generate an AI voice, upload a local voice, or record your own voice. Let's use the AI voice for this demo. Type or paste your desired script into the text box and choose the AI voice that best suits your project.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
With these steps complete, you're ready to hit generate and watch your photo come to life as it starts to speak. And there you have it, your very own talking photo powered by AI.
I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let go. Things go wrong so that you appreciate them when they're right. You believe lies so you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together.
Isn't that just incredible? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.